All right, this is my 2021 Aprilia RSV4. I got these R&G frame sliders that I've installed previously, and when I installed them, it left a disgusting gap right here and right here. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I've already started on this other side. Okay, I already got the fairing off. So what you do is, right here is the fairing. Let me find that tab. It's very hard to find this tab. There it is. Okay. So with the fairing laying flat on something so you don't scratch it, this tab right here is what's getting stuck when you mount the frame mount right here. And then what's happening is this little tab, I actually just cut it off. It's too long and it's rubbing up against that frame mount. So what you do is when you cut this and you have this installed, it's gonna look proper. It's gonna fit on there properly. You're gonna not have that gap anymore. So I'm gonna install it right quick, and then I'll show you all what it looks like when it's installed properly. In addition, your spacers right here are a little too thick. You do have to call R&G and ask them for these smaller spacers for your bike. I actually just got this kit in recently, so I'm going to show you the difference in the size of spacer. So this right here would go right here, and it's going to make this more flush with this frame piece. Okay, so you do get 4 of them. Again, I'm going to pause the video, have it installed, and show you the difference. So this tab right here, you need to trim this down to about here. This is what's hitting your mount right here and causing this part of your fairing to separate from this part. So what you have to do is you have to come behind it. You have to get a pair of strong scissors or shears and then trim this down a lot right here. Also too, R&G is aware that some of these bikes have this issue and some don't. So you can your R&G frame slider kit comes with 13mm spacers. You don't want to use those spacers. You want to use these 7mm spacers. Okay, you can call R&G and ask them to send you one, or you can go to Amazon and order your own spacers and have them delivered a little bit quicker. But these spacers right here need to go between these bolts right here, so this part will be flush with this mount. It'll sit like this. It'll give you a little bit less clearance so that you won't have any of your fairings sticking out. All right, so I got the R&G frame slider on, okay? I just want to show you. See, there's absolutely no gap right here at all. Nothing is rubbing against that piece right here and knocking that fairing out, so where it's to the point where it's separating from the other piece. See, there's no body gap right here. So there's no difference between that body gap and this body gap, which I haven't even gotten to install the other side as yet. So I think this fixed all the issues with putting on the R&G frame sliders on a 2021 Aprilia RSV4. I hope this video helps somebody else. I've literally been searching far and wide to find a solution for this, and I'm kind of glad I figured it out, and I hope that this can help somebody else as well. So thanks for watching, and enjoy.